Attention! Parade! Stand it is! Parade! Attention!
A very glorious good morning to one and all present here. Today, as the sun rises with pride in the sky, we gather under its golden rays to celebrate the spirit of freedom, the 79th Independence Day of India. Let's begin this auspicious occasion where we see the GCC leader, R. Sonara, along with other GCC students, welcoming and giving guard of honor to our loving Miss Ritika Kakadia, Mr. Vimal Kakadia, and the family members of Ritika ma'am, members of top management, our coordinators and the associate coordinators. The participants of GCC students are as follows: Aditi Jain, Mahi Wala, Prajna Agarwal, Gun Savani, Shanaya Patel, Yug Sonara, Arab Patel, Atharva Goyal, Jiansha Save, Vivan Shah, Greg Malavya, Bhom Kochar, Ansh Kalatia, Anika Vithali, Harmoini Jariwala, Sachi Desai, Nitya Khetan, Pratham Dalwadi, Arab Sonara, Akshat Patnani, Joel Maisuria, and Karthik Sharma.
Guard! Salami dega! Salami charge! Parade! Salute!
We now witness the exchange of sword given by R. Sonara to Karthik Sharma, resembling the responsibility which shifted from R to Karthik to continue further with the procedure. Here comes Karthik Sharma, the GCC leader, welcoming and escorting everyone towards the ground.
GD गोइंका इंटरनेशनल स्कूल इस समारोह में अब सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता है। परेड बाय तेज चल।
This march is not just a tradition, it's a tribute to those who led India to freedom.
develops their musical talents, encourages teamwork and collaboration, and teaches discipline through regular practice. We witnessed the wonderful synchronization of the instruments being played. Truly remarkable. Kudos to the entire band along with the female team. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Ritika Kakadia, Management Mission Kamyab, Mr. Vimal Kakadia, family members of Ritika ma'am, members of top management, the PSA members, the food committee members, the coordinators and the associate coordinators, and the HODs. It makes us feel proud to see our national flag fluttering high up there, announcing to everyone here that we stand with pride in this diversified country, which was once ruled by the British. It reminds us of the freedom fighters who laid their life for us, and it is because of them today we breathe freely in this liberated country. Absolutely. Let us now witness the flag hoisting ceremony. For this, may I request Karthik Sharma, the GCC leader, to proceed with the flag hoisting.
जय मैम, यूडी गोइका इंटरनेशनल स्कूल आपको ध्वजारोहण के लिए आमंत्रित करता है।
We now see Karthik Sharma escorting our in-charge principal, Ms. Hetal Tamakuwala, to hoist the flag, along with Ritika ma'am, Vimal sir, and the family members, our loving ma'am and the coordinators.
School, stand at ease. School, attention. School, salute. National anthem begins.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
School, salute down. भारत माता की वंदे।
As the tricolor flutters proudly in the sky and the echoes of the national anthem fade, our hearts are filled with patriotism and our heads are held high. I request the band and the GCC students to escort Pa, Ritika ma'am, Vimal sir, the family members of Ritika ma'am, the top management members, PSA members, food committee members, and the parents of the participants towards the auditorium.
Troop attention. Costume. Position. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start.
acknowledge the presence of Ba, Ritika ma'am, Vimal sir, family members of Ritika ma'am, our in-charge principal, our supporting management, our director operations, Sejal ma'am, all the coordinators and assistant coordinators.
As we celebrate the freedom of our motherland, let us also take a moment to connect with the divine. Let us bow to all the religions showing unity in diversity, reminding us that though our faiths may differ, our hearts beat as one. With this spirit of unity, let's begin with a soulful prayer by the school choir, invoking peace, unity, and strength of our nation.
The school choir members are Sarah Leon, Yashika Chopra, Arshia Singh, Kashish Gupta, Vedika Agarwal, Gianna Parmar, Adhya Baid, Arna Raheja, Joanna Solanki, Kashvi Purohit, Jashit Jain, Shrisha Asarawala, Kavyan Kakadia, Virja Daga, Swara Haryani, Manav Rajput, and Rudra Chaudhary. May we request all the dignitaries to please come and light the lamp.
हरिः ॐ ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा गृदः कस्य स्विद्धनम् बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहु समद लम यलिद बलम युल्लद लम यकुल लहु कुफुवन अहद।
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोची लखवार चुप्पै चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सहस्यान पालख होहे ता इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पाल हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया
नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सिद्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो वज्रायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहुणम् ईसो पञ्चनमुकारो सव पावपणासनो पढमं हवै मङ्गलम् पढमं हवै मङ्गलम् पढमं हवै मङ्गलम्
What a beautiful start to the day. That prayer has filled the atmosphere with peace and positivity.
हर दिल में एक चिंगारी है जो वतन के लिए जलती है। उस जज्बात को शब्दों और सरगम में पिरोया है हमारे कलाकारों ने। Let us now get soaked in the rhythm of patriotic music, presenting a vocal performance that celebrates jingoism. The vocalists are the same as announced before.
That was indeed a heart-throbbing song that has added more to the nationalistic spirit. Thank you, students. Leadership is not about power, it is about responsibility and vision. We now invite our head girl, Khwaish Batra, to share her thoughts on this proud occasion.
A very good morning to everyone present here, respected in charge principal, dignitaries, parents, my fellow Goenkans and all our teachers. Today, as we stand together under the tricolor, I want to remind all of us, independence is not just a date in the calendar or a chapter in our textbooks. It's a living, breathing responsibility that all of us carry within us. We often think of patriotism as something that belongs on the borders or is in the hands of our soldiers. Of course, they play a major role, but it is the way we respect in each other and all of our responsibilities that makes independence and our nation's pride in our hands as well. As students, our role is not just small, but very powerful. We may not be holding rifles, but we hold pens, and that determines the future of this very nation. But here's one truth that nobody likes to say on stage. We all love to post patriotic quotes and stories on our Instagram handles and wish Independence Day to each other. But the minute this day passes, we scroll past the everything, all the newses that we hear about injustice, corruption, or violence, like it's not our problem. We say, someone should fix this without realizing we are that someone. Our home is not a rented apartment. It is our nation, it is our home. And when your home has cracks, you fix them. Because these are the tiny threads that weave together our flag. And when all of these threads seem to fall apart, the flag also falls apart. Independence doesn't just mean freedom from something. It also means freedom for something. Freedom to think, to question, to create, to make our own choices, and to build a better tomorrow. It is not to take it for granted, but to make sure that the India we pass on to the next generation is stronger, kinder, and brighter. As head girl, standing here, not just as a student, but as the voice of our student council, I feel the honor of representing young India. We are not just the future, but we are also the present. The way we act, lead, and use this privilege of education determines the story of our country. So today, when we salute our flag, let's also salute the daily acts of patriotism around us. The teachers who shape our minds, the citizens who follow the law, the students who study with purpose, the young leader who chooses integrity over shortcuts. Independence Day is not just a gift that we open once a year on the 15th of August. It is a promise that we keep and embody within all of us. Thank you. Jai Hind.
रंगों में लिपटी सुरों में बसती है भारत की कहानी, एक ऐसी कहानी जिसे हर नृत्य में महसूस किया जा सकता है. Get ready to witness a mesmerizing dance performance that brings alive the vibrant culture of India. So we would welcome the participants of the dance performance, and the names are Aradhya Agrawal, Dhyana Donda, Shanaya Darshan, Advik Bansal, Nehal Mangla, Ravya Meena, Riyansh Agrawal, Panchi Patel, R.V. Gondalia, Aryanshi Solanki, Hemraj Wagh, Mishka Chandak, Prisha Dhariwal, Tanishka Chaudhary, Radhya Kejriwal, Devna Mehta, Aryan Zaveri, Ridya Taparia, Jia Ruparelia, Kavya Dhariwal, Reha Mehta, Shanvi Agrawal, and Tanishka Rawani. I would like to give them a huge round of applause to these tiny tots for their performance.
अरे माँ बस करो, कितना खिलाओगी?
खा ले बेटा, वैसे भी मेरे हाथ का बना हुआ खाना पूरे साल में एक ही बार तो खाता है.
हेलो,
हेलो कैप्टन, आपकी छुट्टी रद्द की गई है। आपको जल्द से जल्द सरहद पे रिपोर्ट करना होगा।
यस सर, जय हिंद।
माँ, मुझे जाना होगा। मेरी माटी मुझे बुला रही है।
अंबर तले जग रहे हम तेरे आंचल तले रहते हैं। अंबर तले जग रहे हम तेरे आंचल तले रहते हैं। दुनिया में हम ही अकेले हैं जो माटी को माँ कहते हैं, माटी को माँ कहते हैं। जागे तेरे लिए सारी उम्र, तू ही आना सुलाने हमें। सर तेरा ऊंचा रहे ऐ वतन, कोई जाने ना जाने हमें। जागे तेरे लिए सारी उम्र, तू ही आना सुलाने हमें। सर तेरा ऊंचा रहे ऐ वतन, कोई जाने ना जाने हमें, कोई जाने न जाने हमें। हो खुशबू के जैसे हवाओं में हम गुमनाम से बहते हैं। खुशबू के जैसे हवाओं में हम गुमनाम से बहते हैं। दुनिया में हम ही अकेले हैं जो माटी को माँ कहते हैं, माटी को माँ कहते हैं।
ऐ माँ, भरोसा रखना अपनी संतानों पर, हम तिरंगा गाड़ देंगे आसमानों पर। दुश्मनों सुन लो, हमें झुकना नहीं आता। तुम्हारी गोलियां कम हैं, हमारी छातियां ज्यादा। हमारे नाम पर ढोलक बजेगी दो जहानों में। मरेंगे यूं कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे दास्तानों में। हिंदुस्तान को नाज होगा हम दीवानों पर, हम तिरंगा गाड़ देंगे आसमानों पर।
Excellent. It was just awesome. There couldn't have been a better tribute than this to our brave heroes, because of whom we got freedom. Now, let's hear the innocent yet inspiring voice of our future. Please welcome our little patriot, Kavyan Kakadia, from the primary section, who will now express what Independence Day means to him.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavyan Kakadia of class 3A. Today I want to share why India is not just a country, it's a feeling. India is special because it has a heart that beats in every color. Saffron for courage, white for peace and green for growth. And right in the center is the Ashoka Chakra, always moving forward just like us. India is the land of stories, of brave kings and queens, wise saints, and freedom fighters who dreamed of a free nation and made it real with their love and sacrifice. India is special because no matter where you go, mountains or deserts, beaches or forests, you will find color, kindness, and celebration. We speak many languages, eat different food, wear different clothes, but our hearts are united as one big Indian family. That's why we say unity in diversity. From yoga to zero, from the Taj Mahal to the moon, India is shining bright in the world. I love India because it teaches me to be proud, kind and strong. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Kavyan, that was wonderful speech. Your speech touched our hearts and filled us with patriotism. Keep it up, champ. A leader is one who guides us with wisdom and encourages us to dream bigger. We now invite our respected in-charge principal, Ms. Hetal Tamakuwala, to address the gathering
and inspire us with her words.
Thank you, Nancy ma'am. Today, 15 August 2025, in the morning in GD Goenka International School, Surat. I'm here as an in-charge principal to give my thoughts over here. I would like to start with a few patriotic words. आइए झुककर सलाम करें इस पवित्र मिट्टी को. आइए झुककर सलाम करें इस पवित्र मिट्टी को जिसने हमें पहचान दी, जिसने हमें पहचान दी, हमें आज़ादी की सांस दी. ये तिरंगा सिर्फ एक कपड़ा नहीं, ये तिरंगा सिर्फ एक कपड़ा नहीं, बल्कि हमारी आन बान और शान का प्रतीक है. हमारी आन बान और शान का प्रतीक है. With these patriotic words, a very good morning to respected trustee members, PSM members, dear teachers, my beloved students, and our wonderful staff who are present over here. Today we gather to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved India. Let me ask you, how many of you are feeling proud today being an Indian? All? That's great. 79 years ago, our freedom fighters dreamed of a nation where we could live with dignity, speak our minds, and follow our dreams. Their courage and the sacrifices gave us precious gift of freedom, which we are cherishing today and protect every single day. वो क्या डरेंगे अंधेरों से जिन्होंने सूरज को कैद से आज़ाद कराया. वो क्या डरेंगे अंधेरों से जिन्होंने सूरज को कैद से आज़ाद कराया. वो क्या झुकेंगे मुश्किलों से, वो क्या झुकेंगे मुश्किलों के आगे जिन्होंने भारत माँ को गुलामी की जंजीरों से मुक्त कराया. जिन्होंने भारत माँ को गुलामी की जंजीरों से मुक्त कराया. Our freedom fighters. But tell me, students, and all over present over here, does freedom means what we want in our life? Is it a freedom? I want the answer from the audience. Is it a freedom what we want in our life? That is called the freedom? Yes or no? Yes or no? I want the answer. What do you think about the freedom? Whatever required that you are achieving, that is called the freedom? No, it's not the freedom. Freedom comes with the responsibilities. Responsibility towards our studies, responsibility towards helping to each other, responsibility to make the environment clean and green, responsibilities towards making our country proud. Here at GD Goenka International School, Surat, we are not just teaching the students, we are shaping the citizens of tomorrow. Every time you work hard, respect your elders, keep your surroundings clean, and help your friend in the need, you are serving to your nation. Dear teachers and the staff, you are guiding lights who inspire our young minds. Parents, PSM members, they are guiding for the green growth. They are guiding for the trust, support, and to move forward. Together, we form one big family working towards excellence. Over here, today, we have seen the dance performance, we heard the patriotic song, we have heard the little champ was speaking about the nation. The same thing over here, our flag. We have hosted our flag on the ground. We have seen the tricolor, which are the, over there, if you will see the colors, which are always teaching us something, where the saffron color, it teaches us courage. White for the peace, green for the growth, and the moving Ashok chakra in between is always teaches us for the progress. And we here in GD Goenka, we are following all that things in our lives, and we are trying to inculcate in our young minds of Goenka. On this special day, once again, let's together say, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. All together, once again, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Freedom is not just a right we inherited, it's a duty which we must live every day. So thank you so much and have a blissful day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your thoughtful address that has encouraged us to contribute towards our nation progress by being responsible and, of course, performing our duties well.
To formally conclude today's memorable celebration, we invite our hostel head boy, Vansh Chandwani, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. आज़ादी का मतलब सिर्फ बंधनों से मुक्त होना नहीं बल्कि पहचान बनाना है. Good morning everyone, I am Vansh Chandwani, hostel head boy of GD Goenka International School. It is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on our Independence Day. My deepest gratitude to our visionary chief mentor Manar sir for inspiring greater purpose, to our dedicated in-charge principal ma'am Hetal ma'am for steady leadership and guidance, to our proactive Director of Operations, Sejal ma'am, for precise planning and execution. To our Sports Director, Ashish sir, for guiding our fabulous NCC members to their excellence. To our creative PVA department heads for adding color and coordination. To every participant, volunteer, staff member, and the teams behind the scenes. Your united efforts made today a tribute to freedom. May the ideals of unity, responsibility, and gratitude guide us always. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vansh.
As we bring this celebration to a close, let us rise and pay tribute to our nation with the national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shyamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Kindly be seated. Thank you all for your presence and for making this Independence Day celebration an extraordinary event.